Okay, as you can see, this is the my three-wheel automobile that I've been working on for some times now. Although this is what I just did today. I just I just set mounted the engine sitting. You can see I use a bike frame. The reason why I use this bike frame is so that it will be more easier for me to get the center of gravity of this engine. You understand? But you can see what I did here. This is actually a shock absorber. This part is actually for a RAV4, Toyota RAV4. As you can see, this is meant to be the shock. I cut it off and I removed the hydraulic system that is inside, and I now have to design it this way to get this. As you can see, I made a joint here so that when I add the shock absorber, the car can be able to absorb. So we are really making a lot of progress on the work. So this is the chain now. As you can see, the work I did on this chain. You can see how straight this chain is from the small sprocket to the big one. So what I actually did here now, this is actually hub. This is a RAV4 shaft bearing. Here, let me see if you can show very well. Yeah, you can see the way I did it now. I now formed 4 bolts on it, 4 bolts, and I now added a sprocket on it. So you can see the inside of the shaft bearing. So this is where the bearing used to be. All these places round. So guys, as you can see now, so I'm planning of forming the front this thing, the front tire system. That is 2 tires that will be at the front. So guys, just stay with me, guys. You will get to understand whatever I'm doing here. So this, I was explaining that this is a kind of 3-tire automobile that you can build without going to the lathe machine to do shaft work at the back tire here. So once I'm done, you are going to understand this is the easiest way to do this. I didn't get it online. I actually sit on my own. I think about it, and I believe that there are so many ways in which people can do this without without making use of lathe machine to work on their or on their shaft of the back tire. So please, guys, stay with me. So guys, still on it. Wow, wow, wow. We didn't make progress today. A very big progress. So, okay, guys, yeah. Right now, I actually want to work on the cooling system of this engine. You know, since this engine is an air cooling system, so I want to work on the cooling fan. Where it's going to be. Because you are meant to put a cooling fan on it so that to avoid overheating. So I think I've said this now. So this is actually the cooling fan now. I'm going to fix it this way. So I've actually mounted the air cooling system fan now. So I actually calculated the angle which is like this, so that it can blow and it goes into the fin of this. It can blow into the fin of this top cylinder. So if you see the angle where I fix it, you can see that the breeze is meant to go through the the top fin of the top cylinder. So I will start working on that now.